You can use any image or video clip like a running person. I will use a background and one of my mascot logos. Drag and add your images to your timeline. Place the logo on top of the background. Drag and adjust how many seconds you want your clip to be. I'm doing my clip around 8 seconds long. Add text and write something. Make it big. Put text between background and logo. Make a compound clip of your text layer. Select text layer and choose horizontal mask, turn it to 90 degrees, and drag the mask to where it should start. Tick the position keyframe, then move the playhead forward, and then move the mask forward as well. Repeat the process to the end. And then use left arrow on your keyboard ones to back it up a bit and last the mask to end position. Test and see how it looks. Scale logo or image to your liking and move it to the beginning. Let it show a little bit so it starts before the text. Tick the position keyframe. Move the playhead to the end, and then use left arrow on your keyboard ones to back it up a bit. Move the logo to the end so it disappears. Check how it looks and make adjustments. Under Effects, search for Edge Glow and add it on top of everything. Congrats! You just made a text reveal animation. A little tip under Adjustment, scroll down to Button and add some vignette. And there you have it, well done. Let's move on to the next tutorial. Use my images that you will find in the description or use your own. I am making this clip about 10 seconds long. Copy and paste the bar so that you have 4 of them. Shorten and adjust the bar length as in steps so that they don't start at the same time. Place them evenly and at the same height position. Under Adjustment, scroll to the bottom and add some vignette to the background. Add a horizontal mask and rotate it to 180 degrees. and drag the mask to the bottom. This will be the start position. Tick keyframe position and move playhead to the middle, then mask to add keyframe. Move playhead to the end and back up one step with left arrow on keyboard. Move mask to the top to show whole bar. Repeat the process for the other bars and adjust them so they start in the right order. Just play around with it till you're happy with how they move. Select all bar layers and make a compound clip. Then start adding your text and place them where you want them. Adjust text size to fit and add a text animation you like, and adjust animation time till you're happy with it. Search for edge glow under effects and add it to the top of everything. Make final adjustments and you are done. Try and time your animations so they look good and doesn't start at the same time. Add images to your timeline and place them as shown. I am making this clip about 10 seconds long. Choose horizontal mask, turn it to 90 degrees, and drag the mask to where it should start. Tick the position keyframe and move the playhead to the end and back up one step with left arrow on keyboard. Move mask to the right position. Check how it looks and make adjustments. Make a compound clip of the long bar and put the playhead where the short bar starts and make sure the long bar is selected. Click the freeze function and adjust bars as shown. Check so the animation is looking good and make any adjustments. Add graphics and add text. Change font and size to your liking and position the text where you want it. And apply text animations. Adjust the time animation so it looks good. Under stickers, you will find arrows. Choose one you want to add, resize it to fit, and add an animation to it. Under Effects, search for Edge Glow and add it on top of everything. In Adjustments, scroll to the bottom and add some vignette for a nice effect. Add the last text layers and adjust them with animations as the others. Check everything and make final adjustments and you are done. Let's continue to the next one. First of all, I just want to make clear that I am not sponsored by Auto AE, but I think it's a great service. Link will be in the description. There are a lot of animations to choose from, but I will show you how simple it is to use one of them. Click Customize and click Choose File. Browse to your images, open your image, and click Confirm and repeat for the 2 other images. Write your text and preview your clip. If you are happy with it, then just download your animation. When you add it to your video, add some nice sound with deep bass sound and time it when the thumbnail hits. Here's the prices, totally worth it in my opinion. Let's continue to the last tutorial. I will only show the parts we haven't already covered because it's the same principles as we already done. Comment if you would like me to add a separate tutorial. Add 2 images and adjust size and position as shown. Under animation, choose zoom flip and adjust animation time. Repeat for the second image. Make your bars and text in the colors you like. I will add assets in the description. Check how it looks and make any adjustments and you are done. I hope this is helpful for some people. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.